Hello, my name is Bautista and I'm the Operations and Fulfillment Manager at Revibe. We implemented NSYS more than 6 months ago, and we implemented because we had a big challenge related to quality. We are a marketplace and we work with more than 50 sellers in the market, and aligning quality for all these businesses is very difficult. With NSYS and all the tests that you can perform through the tool, we managed to align them all, and we managed to see results very quickly in which all the sellers that are already onboarded in the software, they have a lower defect rate than the ones that are not onboarded. Besides this, and besides quality, we see other benefits that the tool can bring into the table. For example, the certificate that you can download and that you can share with your customers for them to see exactly which is the quality of the device and for them to be happier overall with your processes and with your company. I would recommend NSYS to any company in the industry that is looking to improve their quality alongside reducing cost and bringing more efficiency into your businesses.